And we are live in YouTube. Thank you for the like, G Hunter. Thank you. Alright, so hello everyone. Joshua Otero. Yes, good evening. Welcome. We also have Raju. Yes. How's it going, Raju? Been quite some time, huh? Okay. So, okay, we have Stephen John. Yes, good evening. Let's just wait for the others to, to come, and then we'll have a start. Yeah. So, guys, for those who are in TikTok right now, are you guys familiar with crypto trading? Yeah, or trading, kumbaga, in general? Familiar? Let me know in the comments. Hmm? Yeah. Thank you pala sa nagla-like sa G Hunter. Thank you so much. All right, so let me have a check right here. Again, for those who are in TikTok who just came in, if you want to watch the full screen of the chart, yes, just get into the YouTube Mayari Capital. Lang, that's it. Okay. John Kevin Co 176 in TikTok. Papasok ka ng trade ngayon, ma'am. I'm already in a trade, like tatlong trade. Been holding 3 trades na. So, we'll see if there's an opportunity. Pag may opportunity dyan, finishare ko naman. Okay? It's up to you how you'll trade with it. Stephen John was asking. Napansin ko lang, ma'am, may copy trading na sa Binance. Safe ba yun? Everything comes with a risk. And so, if you just want to try it out, kumbaga, just, putting your one leg lang muna. Basta isang isang paa lang. You can put some amount and that you're not, that you're willing to lose and make it like systematic sa copy trading. That's my advice with copy trading. Okay? Siraj, yes. Good evening, good evening. All right. So just give me a moment. I want to check something in here. Okay. So for those who are, who just got in YouTube, let me know in the comments. Okay. Just drop by and say hi. Yeah. Angel Fury, hello Mama Yari. Yes, hello Angel. Is that Jean Kuzuma? Yung sa Tekken? Nakakamiss yung Tekken, ano? Wood, paano po mag-forex, ma'am? You need some exchange broker. Yeah, broker. And then some exchange. Hindi siya direct. I'm not quite sure lang. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. If there's like a direct platform na that you don't have to have a brokerage. Like in Binance, like direct na siya. Because back in my time when I was doing the forex, I have to have a broker. And then I have to have that application, yung Met4. Yeah, so let me know if it's still the same. It's been 5 years. 5 years since I traded. Tagal na, alam. Alright, so Angel Fury, yes po, yes. Kakamiss ang tawag doon, mag-Tekken. Bili nga tayo ng, ng PSP. Or PS5 na lang, no? You, hello, hello, hello. Good evening, good evening. Yes, Nicole. Good evening, miss. Finally, we able to join the live. Oh, that's good. It's my first time seeing you here, Nicole. So, I assume you're just a watcher of, live, rewatching the lives that we do. The live, yeah? It's me, AJ. Good evening, coach. Yes. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. All right. So, like I have said again, for those who are in TikTok, okay, if you want to see or learn with us, trade with us, okay, if we spot some trade, if you want to see the full screen, okay, learn how to trade and everything, just go over my YouTube, okay, Mayari Capital. That's it. It's me, AJ. Anong thoughts nyo po kay AVAX? Sige, so add natin yan si AVAX sa requested list natin. It's been quite some time since, when we did a request na chart. So, for those who have any chart request, let me know. I accept like 2 to 3 charts. But make sure, when we go on the requested chart that you did, you are there. Alright? Else, I'm not gonna be charting it. Sige? So, USDT.P. USDT.P. Bybit. Ajax or AVAX? Oh, AVAX. AVAX. Okay, so let's that up. Buddy, hi ma'am, good evening. Crypto ba tong subject? Yes po, we're trading in crypto. We're charting in crypto. So let me add that that watermark so everyone can see what coin are we trading, what time frame are we in. So again, guys, this is the coin. Okay, if you see this is the coin that we're trading currently in the Bitcoin. And this is a 15, meaning 15 minutes time frame tayo. Alright? So, ano po YouTube channel niyo, ma'am? Gusto ko din sana maganyan. Ito po. Yan. Mayari Capital. Type in nyo lang po. Hanapin nyo lang. We're currently live. So, if you want to see the full screen, okay? You'll be able to see sa YouTube. And at the same time, if you're a subscriber, you have a chance to win the $100 giveaway. Okay? So if you're a subscriber in my YouTube, you have that ticket kumbaga that you'll be able to join that giveaways. Alright, so si ma'am, anong app the best mag-trade? Are you asking about exchange? Because personally, I use Binance, but at the same time, I am testing out Bybit. Yan. So, yung Bybit. Medyo mahal lang sa fee sa Bybit. But, the rest are like, it's fine. Mamaya, will Bitcoin go bullish na po? I'll discuss that. Sige. May $100 giveaway ba ulit, madam? Yes po. If you are a subscriber in my and my YouTube, you have a chance to win the $100 giveaway. Sige. So, John Kevin, sa MEX, mura fees. Talaga? MEX, MECX. Actually, nag-reach out yan sa akin yung MEX about hindi ko na lang pag-disclose. But, sige, ko yan? I'll think about it. Research ko yung MEX. Pag maganda guys, let me know yung MEX. Kasi I was talking with one of their ambassadors last time. Okay, so let's get into the Bitcoin. Let's go back. Last live that we did was around October 3rd, right? Today is October 6th. So, yung mga pumapasok sa YouTube currently, hanapin nyo lang yung live na October 6 right now. Right? Or yung mga gusto mag-watch, maya na lang ako mag-watch, miss. Okay, you can watch it again in my YouTube. Alright, so Madeline, okay, crypto or forex? Nababagalan kasi ako sa crypto. Madeline, that's funny because each market has their time. Sa forex, okay, you feel like currently the forex is fast because crypto is quiet. But once the crypto market turns into a bull market, you'll feel like forex doesn't move at all. That's fine. So they both have their own, they both have their phases. So both are okay to trade. Okay, it's just that Kung anong market, you prefer or suits you, you can trade both. It's up to you. Okay. Richmond, yes, good evening. Nikisha, hello, hello, hello. Will you share your strategy with us? What kind of strategy you want? Ito na, ano. Rach, okay, hello, hello. Rach Calado, miss, can you do ape? Sige, add natin yung ape. Okay, just stay tuned, okay? Yung mga nag-request. Guys, again, I'll call you out later, okay? If you're not there, I'm not gonna be charting the points, eh? So there should be around there. Um. Oh, Nicole, is it so? That's good. That's good. Face reveal wala na. You, wait lang. Pag-isipan natin yan next time. Sige? Okay. Body Elite Wave Harmonics expert ka, ma'am. I can tell you about Elite Wave. That is my specialty, but harmonics, I know, how to do it, but I do not apply it in my trading. Oh, yeah, Kamuna, thank you for the heart. Thank you so much. Thank you. Every time to say Yakamuna and is suki. Sige. So let's have a start on our Bitcoin. So for those who are new in here, just a quick recap. We are currently in the daily time frame. Okay, 1 day yan, Bitcoin right here. And last August, second week of August, guys, nag-break tayo of the strong trend line, yearly trend line to, bullish trend line. So, of the trend line lang ha, it's not the market structure muna. I cannot say that, market structure is not the bearish side. Not yet. It was just by the trend line. Okay, so weakness. Okay, what does it mean? Weakness is there. It is there. But at the same time, that weakness can be equivalent to what we call a correction. Yeah? So are you guys familiar? Remember, I talk about impulses. Me, this one. I guess I need to have a new setup of ano dito. To be honest, guys, all of this, I do not use it anymore. Back when I was practicing lang, but I just keep it for, for learning purposes. But yeah, so right here, this is our impulse structure. Okay, gawin natin. Gawin natin, no, that's fine. Yeah. So, impulse, and now, what's currently happening with this, full-on impulse is the correction. So, with that said, do not be, lost, guys, asking, miss, bearish na ba, bullish na ba? So, what I can tell you is this, okay? Long term, I'm talking long term, 6 month to ha, we are in a bullish market. So, when I say long term is also equivalent to a macro, malakihang time frame to, or the general bias talaga of the Bitcoin. You can say in like 3 months from now, 6 months from now, 12, yes, around 12 months from now, we are currently moving bullishly. But on the short term, ito yung in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks maximum, or a month. Currently, I'll show you. Bearish is the, is the bias. So, if you have any question, you want more, kumbaga, miss, can you please emphasize on that? Let me know in the comments. Okay, but yeah, so long term, the whole structure, guys, is bullish. I have explained that again and again, why, and we just broke that, ito, yung bearish na market from the all-time high of Bitcoin. So what's currently happening is, is an impulse of a bullish pressure to the upside, and currently what's happening is the bearish. So with that said, The short term, ito yung short term na tinatawag natin ngayon, yung correction of the daily. Bearish siya in a sense that, it's a correction. The pressure in here is more with, with the downside. Yun yung tinatawag natin na na pressure yan, guys. Okay? Pressure, or in other words, bias. So, yung bias, ideally for you to take is bearish position. Yun. So, let me have this. Natin to sa daily lang to, ha? So, okay. Yeah, so with that said, currently, we are in a bearish scenario, right? But at the same time, it does not mean na miss. So, short lang ba talaga? Ganon. So, back when we were doing around this area, right? Yes, it was a bearish, bearish momentum. Can you guys like see that? It was a bearish momentum already. But at the same time, I told you guys, okay, mid-September, even 1st of September, I told you that Bitcoin is gonna have a second leg up. And yung tumanong kanina na ng elite wave, yan. So this one was one of the elite wave na analysis that I did last September. So, nung ano pa lang, first week of September, I have already mentioned that there will be a bounce. So, yung guys, dito na pumapasok yung multi-time frame. You guys are familiar with that term? Yeah, multi-time frame. Meaning, hindi lang na, one day lang yung tinitignan natin. It can be multi-time frame from 1 day, 1 hour, 4 hours, 30 minutes, yun. So, dun pumasok na, we were able to catch that push to the upside. So, like I've mentioned, buy around this area. So, yeah. One thing also that made that buying position for us strong was the long-term bias is bullish talaga. Gets nyo, guys? Yung talaga natin, yung main na is bullish talaga. Yes, it is like, moving bearishly, pero yung talaga is bullish. But at the same time, when we were in here, 30K yan, I also called out with everyone that we're gonna have a drop. And that happened, yung A-leg na yan, that happened. So, with that said, where we at right now? Yeah? What's going on? So, as you guys can see, elite wave lang to. This is the projected na natin, na move. Like I've mentioned, 28, 29K maximum possible resistance. Miss, can it hit red zone? Possibly it can hit red zone. It can also do a double tap if it wants to. That's pretty possible in a elite wave scenario. But currently, this is our target. Okay, that's our conservative target, guys, is the B wave over the supply zone natin. Yan. So, yan yung supply zone natin. And this one does not change. So, now, if we go on the lower time frame, like the 4 hours, you guys would be able to see that what happened, or what currently is happening, is actually just a simple correction. It's just a simple correction of an impulse. Okay, so as you guys are thinking, yung impulse, miss, kanina yung malaki, no. So impulse tsaka correction, yung term na yan, or that that occurrence, it can also happen on the lower time frame. So right around here, this is what we call another impulse yan. Ito. So, impulse. So, leave this one as your correction. Okay, let's have it as a red. Yan. So, currently, what's happening is another correction to the upside tayo, guys, ha? Another impulse to the upside. And I don't think it's done. Kumbaga, it's not yet done, guys. Why? Remember the B leg, or if you have any idea with elite wave, B leg, it's a 5-3-5 structure yan. So, currently, on the last leg of the B, hindi pa po complete yung ano natin. This is just the 1, the 2, the 3, and currently the 4. And like I have mentioned last live natin, this impulse pataas, it's not yet done. Hindi pa po yan tapos. That's why we did a entry for a long position, but the stop loss was too tight. So I'm waiting for this correction to get finished, and then I will send a signal in the premium. Okay, so for those who are in premium, just stay put. Okay, I'm formulating our entry right here, and we're gonna catch, or we're gonna try to ride the fifth leg to the upside dito. So, one of that bias is this. Wala pa po tayong wala pang indication from any of our confluences that, oh, this is the end of it, it's gonna go down now. Actually, what's showing is there is a pressure forming pataas. So, okay? I hope that answers everyone question na nung kanina, Miss, papataas ba yung Bitcoin or pababa? Okay, I just mentioned it. Okay? So, right here we have the bison. Sorry guys if magulo yung chart. I have to note down everything. So, okay? Alright, so before we continue, I would like to, see some comments muna sa YouTube natin. And at the same time, for those who are in TikTok, take your time, guys, okay, to head on to our YouTube so you can see the full screen na to. And you can also watch the live again. Pag gusto mo, miss, aralin ko yung sinasabi mo kanina. Review ko. Yeah, you can do. It's in my live. Naka-save lang to. Alright, so let me check. Jed, sa wakas hindi ako replay ngayon. That's good, Jed. Now you can ask me real time. sa si iyo palagi Raju, Bitcoin 40K possible, ma'am. So, Raju, in a longer time frame, okay, speaking of longer time frame, we have a weekly resistance at the 35K, okay? 35K of Bitcoin. So, the moment we break the 35K, nothing is stopping Bitcoin from going farther than that. 40K is nothing, to be honest. If we talk about, levels of the higher time frame. Ito. Can you see this red line? Yeah. If you see on the right side right now, this is the 35K resistance of the monthly yan. That's the monthly. So if you're thinking, possible 40K, let it break the 35K. Because the moment it breaks the 35K, nothing is stopping Bitcoin, like I've said, to push all the way to 46, 48K levels. Yan. Okay? So, going in here. Let me see. TikTok. Minx, hello, good evening. I'm new po. How about po sa leverage bali bago po siya? Sa lever bali bago po siya. Not quite sure. Can you rephrase that, Minx, about the lever bali? Bago po siya. Mangmang, hi! Angel Fury, if I want to go long for Bitcoin, anong price po maganda entryhan? Sige, hanapin natin yan sa sa lower time frame. Angel Fury, sige. By the way, for those who are in TikTok, thank you guys for the likes. Thank you so much, and Yakamuna. Thank you for the stickers. Okay, every time. And so, welcome sa mga bago pa lang, bago pa lang po ako na meet. Happy to see you guys. Just by watching, I miss trading crypto again. J Crypto, balik ka na sa trading. Ano? Elite wave pattern, yes it is. Buddy, may book kang binibenta, specific lang ng elite wave na simplified na madali intindihan, ma'am. Actually, I do not have a book or a PDF like that, but more of a video lesson talaga. So, I teach that with my private. Okay, so let me tell you one thing with Elite Wave, ha. Elite Wave, there's a lot of, of rules in there. There's a lot of specifics. So, para siyang, in a sense, like the moment you try to learn everything, it can freeze your anong tawag dun yung word dun? Analysis paralysis, something like that. Because I understand, it's a lot to process, especially sa, if you're just learning it for the first time. For me, it was the same. Medyo nakakalito talaga. Saan ba nagsa-start yung one ko dito? Saan ba nagsa-start yung correction ko? Saan ko ba ipa-plot to? That's the main thing talaga. Saan? So, that's one thing, and at the same time, the moment you know how to plot na, paano ko ba magagamit to? Paano ba to? Yeah. So, yun. That I have developed personally. I took some lessons, I took some ideas, Illutive. Everything is still the same. But it's like I made it my own strategy. So, that was a good suggestion, buddy, to make like a simplified type of Elliott wave. I'll try to, think about that. Do you guys prefer reading ba? Let me know in the comments. For those who does not know, I actually have a PDF book on scalping. One of my strategy in scalping, and it is in premium drive. Okay? So for those who are in premium, guys, you have that access on the 1 minute scalping strategy na PDF. Guys, so let me know in the comments if you guys are interested ba in reading a book or rather watching a video lesson. Let me know. Okay? Because personally, when I was learning, I prefer watching video. But back then, nung nag-aaral pa ako, there was not that much videos. You have to pay for it. You have to attend a webinar for it. So back then I have to research talaga, and most of it are by books. Ibang-ibang books 'yon. And I'm not the type of person na I like to read books, but like ang Illitwave kasi medyo siya it needs some visuals, kumbaga. Okay? Yaka muna, I prefer hearing your voice. Podcast na lang, yaka muna. Good? Gawin na lang nating podcast. Rian, abangan kita lagi, ma'am. Gusto ko po matuto sa trading. Sure, Rian. Just, if you want to catch me live talaga, Rian, I suggest you go on the YouTube. Why? Because there are times that my TikTok does not work. I am not currently in Philippines right now, okay? For those who does not know, I'm traveling. So, where I am right now, banned or hindi gumagana yung TikTok. Minsan gumagana siya, minsan hindi. Ayun. So if you guys want to catch me, you want to learn more, Yun, just I suggest you to be on the YouTube para ma-notify kayo. Okay. Alright. Mitra, is investment in Bitcoin better than trading? That's that is something that, ang tawag dun, there's a word for that. They're the same, they are in the same category, but they're totally different at the same time. Does that make sense? Kasi when we talk about investment, it is something that you just like put the money and just like let it grow. Like, you know, um over time. Kumaga, like mutual funds, shares, all of that. But when it comes to trading, trading is a skill talaga. I'm telling you, it is a skill. You have a own strategy. In investment, you also have, but in a sense, someone like, like my cousin, for example, just my cousin, huh? He can buy a Bitcoin and then just like leave it. He doesn't have to study about it. He just have to study how to buy it. That's it. And how to sell it. But trading, it can be a profession. It is a profession. So you can make it your own profession. Yun. It's like they're in the same category but totally different at the same time. Shays, paano? Ryan's Play TV, hello, good evening. Shays, paano mag-join sa premium mo, ma'am? Okay, Shays, it's either you message me in Instagram, right? I guess that's the best thing, Shays. Just message me in Instagram, okay? And then, just type in premium, okay? Premium subscription. And then, I'll guide you with it na lang, okay? Later. But yeah, for those who are interested in, getting into the premium subscription, if you guys want to learn more into trading and everything as such, and so take a look at this. Chase, sige po. I'll see you later, Chase. Okay? So, hello, Carl. Allah, late si Carl. Stay put always, ate. By the way, ate, can you show us paano gamitin yung portfolio? If pwede dito sa YouTube, patapos na kasi ako sa video plan o gamitin. Portfolio. Which portfolio, Carl? Let me know. Yeah? Ma'am, parang gusto ko na mag-stop school, hirap, walang pang-invest. Iyo, let me tell you something. Sige? When I was, in high school and in college, at the same time, I was doing, I was doing trading. Hindi pa po ako profitable yun. I was just exploring trading, making, learning how to make my trade better. Yeah? And I also had that thought of quitting kasi I found this new parang gold mine na, oh, at this point I'll earn right away. Yeah. So one thing I can tell you is just continue your studies for now, but at the same time, do not stop on the process of becoming a better trader every single day. Yun. That's my one advice for you to do. Kasi yung invest na yan, yung wala pang invest, that we can find a way. I personally try to, find a way for me. I use there. Okay, if you guys does not know, when I started trading talaga, I started with a $100 money. Okay, 5,000 pesos pa yun, guys. Back at the time, around 49, 49, 48 pesos. So it was around at that point. So that amount, I save it up for around 3 months worth of my allowance yan. And funny thing, that $100 gone in almost like 2 weeks maximum. Tapos konting natira, $20 to $25 at the end of the month. And nawala. Ubus lahat kasi I don't have any idea. I don't have any knowledge into trading. So that was my first liquidation and at the same time my first lesson. Yun. So you just focus on your school for now. That investment thing we can, there's a lot of ways on that, to be honest. A lot. Okay? Joshua Otero, worth it mga lessons sa premium. Yan. So guys, for those who does not know Joshua, I saw his improvement today, or his chart. I saw he posted it. Congrats to Joshua. Yeah. So he's in premium, guys. Yeah. So for those who wants to, level up your trading, you want to learn more, kumbaga, you want to learn about my experience, kasi I just do not teach theory alone, but at the same time my personal take in a certain topic. Yun. So yeah, it's just $30, guys. That's it. Just $30 yung premium. It's up to you. Yeah, that's right, jellyfish. That's right. Okay. So, Grace, I liquidate 140K on Axie and 20K in crypto. My goodness. Now getting 500 a day. That's good, Grace. That's good. Aya ka muna. Did you cry when you got liquidated? Because I cried. Yaka muna. I guess the liquidation na nagpaiyak sa akin was when I lost 50,000. Tapos, nung nag-loss ako ng 100,000, hindi ako umiyak. Kasi I think, ano na, in, parang bato ka na. You get numb na, I guess. But yung nagpaiyak sa akin was the 50,000 loss. Yun. Yung $100, hindi. It actually fueled me to, parang mas pinush niya ako to, oh, I need to study more. Oh, parang gusto ko pang, let's dive deep na lang talaga dito sa trading, parang ganun. First liquidation, it did not make me cry. Yung 50K na liquidation, yeah, it made me cry. Because it was a newbie mistake, guys. Newbie mistake. And I paid for it before, and then I paid 50K again for it. So, it was frustration. That's why I cried. Yeah. Okay, so all right, so let's continue with our Bitcoin. Yeah. 1 hour. Let's go back. Let's see. Possible entry. Let's open the 30 minutes. Okay. So far, we are currently at the buy zone area. So let me tell you something around here. Let me take this out. Okay. Let's see our factors in here, guys. Okay. 1 hour. Nothing much to see. 1, 2, everything is pretty normal. Okay. 2 minutes. Pretty normal. 10 minutes. Okay, anyway, so everyone can see that Bitcoin is moving in a pattern currently due to the fact that it is a correction part right now. So what's happening is more of a currently like somewhat like a triangle, but at the same time, if I'll take around that area, Somewhat it makes sense, right? But I would like to just like double check if this is really a symmetrical triangle. So let's pull up our this one. Okay, let's open our Fibonacci. Okay, that fits in. Okay, using natin to. And second one. Okay, funny. Okay, one, two, three, four, and five. And A, B, C, D. So the thing is, we're moving in a symmetrical pattern. So I'm okay. No, no, not this one, but okay, this one. So I'm expecting a 5 leg movements in here. So, you know, something like this, something like this. This is the movement that I am expecting to happen. So, okay, 0.7 over that. Expecting a resistance right around this area. And currently, we do not have data for our possible E na level. So, ideal entry or optimal entry for everyone, okay, is around this zone. That is the optimal entry right now. And the bias is again long position, okay, stop loss around here and take profit all the way to that high. All right. So let me have a double check again, guys, with our structure. A, B, and C. 5. A. This is the third wave territory. Territory. So if this is the A, B, and C, D, and E. Let's double check the projection of our fifth wave. This, okay, 618, that's a good one. Another one should be sitting right around, okay, there. Huh? Let's see, okay, 1.618, a little bit past of it. Okay, so let me put that up. All right, so possible trade for the day, guys. All right, listen up. October 6 today, October 6. Entry 2754. No, let's take the highest for now. 27,665. 27. 540. Stop loss. Okay. Going to be, it's a multiple 1, 2. Okay, that's funny. We already touched this fly zone that around that area. So I'm confident, guys, that okay, I'm confident that if we break this level, ito yung yan na yan, then that's gonna be an invalidation for us. So anywhere below this line is a safe zone for us to do a stop loss. So just for on the safer side, for the wicks, yung mga ganyan, no? Can you see like the wicks? Let's have a stop loss right around here. And I take profit, okay, by the higher time frame. So this trade is going to give us around 2.68 RR. Okay, so stop loss 27,200, and take profit 28,850. Guys, so listen up. With the take profit section, okay, you don't have to be on exact like 28,850. It can be 28,840, like that. Why? Because it's a whole number. It's, it's a round of number. So the tendency is it will play off almost there, but it's not gonna, it's not gonna hit. So just a reminder lang. Okay, that when you enter 28,840, you can secure some profit and that's fine. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin. Let me see. Miss, did you start a low portfolio then pinalaki nyo lang? Yes. So I did it. Well, took time but was worth it. Miss, did you start blah 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 blah? Or nung napansin yung nag-work yung system nyo, nagpasok ka na ng malaking medyo malaki? To be honest, no. I started with small talaga, 100, and then at the same time, I started growing the $20 that, that I put in again. That $20, I managed to flip it to around $38-40 right there. So it took some time, but finally there was a system that I can work with. And it was just with time. Para siyang time decay what happened, guys. Yung nasa Google Drive po ate, trading journal pala, hindi portfolio. uh, Carl, if you have question with the trading journal, so may sa may premium, message na lang sa may sa may premium Discord natin. Sige? I'll answer that. Or what to put in, all of that. Okay? Sige. Anyway, so that's for Bitcoin. Now, okay? Sino yung nag-request ng AVAX? Let me know. Okay, if you're here. Let's give that guy a minute or 30 seconds. Sorry guys, andito na naman yung mga friends ko. Do you guys know who my friends are? Sa maka-guess kung sino yung friends ko. Try to guess, guys. Andito na name them. If I'll name them yaka muna, it's gonna be, what's the word for that? You'll be attached with them, you'll be emotional, ganon. And no, I have to leave this place soon, so it's gonna be sad. Oops. Yeah, they're there. Okay, so Avax, I don't think is here. 8. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, Ape, let me know. Okay, so Raj is here. So let's do our Ape, okay? Pam, 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 pam. Okay, so weekly. Oh my goodness. Why do you even guys want to trade this? Charot. uh, One. At this current market, guys, okay? Let's put that in. Days chart. Huh. It's like if it just wanna go all the way down, huh? So personally, guys, this kind of coin, okay, um, if it's not bull market, I try to stay away from them unless and until they get a volatility. And currently, there's no volatility that that is pushing ape. But oh, okay, but let's try to check some levels. Already one past 1.618. Seriously, I don't think ape. What's your position in ape? Are you looking for a long position back or short position? Because we do not have that fuel right now in the market. So when I talk about fuel, miss, ano yung fuel na yan? Fuel po is what we call circulating money in the market. Both alts and major coins and Bitcoin that we do not have yet. So ape belongs under the alt. Some alts are, pumping, but it is not triggered by isang like Bitcoin will pump, it will pump also. It's more of can be fundamentals, can be release, updates, anything from the community itself. Yun. So you'll get that. But in this current time, okay, where we at right now, uh, take some time, guys. Even if you pray, sorry, I don't wanna use that, but like, yeah, a wish na lang, ganun, yeah. So, even if you wish like, kahit mag-ano ka pa dyan, pag bababa to, bababa talaga to. It doesn't have the chance. The chance is there, but the probability is slim. Kumbaga, you can say that your probability of this one going up is 80 out of 20. So, 80% chance that it's gonna continue to go down, and then 20% chance na it's gonna go up regardless of the structure. The structure, don't get me wrong, the structure by technical analysis is, it looks really good. Okay, it's pretty bullish. But is that enough? Especially with a coin like this, it's not. So, okay, so long term, I'm not even gonna touch that. But on a 1 hour, let's see, 1 hour. Mhm. So here we have around September, last week of September, as the last low of ape. Okay, that is our last low. So two things that I can give out, okay, for Raj in here is currently ape is moving in a manner like this. Yes, it broke out the major trend line, but again, we do not have the fuel in the market. Okay, we don't have that circulating supply right now. And yeah, uh, I don't think this one is even gonna hold. But since we are above that, we're gonna be talking, technical wise, okay? Technical wise, guys, it's ideal for long position right now. So, but I'm not gonna take it in the middle right here, but more of by the green line, okay? There's a high chance it's gonna visit the green line again. And the stop loss is below the green zone. Be strict with it, okay? Because if it, oh miss, nag-drop, tanggalin ko muna yung stop loss ko. Yun. Miss, nag-drop, tanggalin ko muna stop loss ko, baka fake out lang. Okay? And then, nag-continue na pababa. Did it happen with anyone in here? That scenario? Nangyari na ba sa inyo yan, guys? Because it did with me before. Yeah? It did. So, mhm. Okay. Yeah, so that's one thing that that I can give out for Ratch for the ape, and at the same time, yung take profit mo, not just dalawang level, because we have to be, I'm gonna give you two levels in here, because we have to be protective with our capital in a sense that the higher time frame bias of ape is bearish. So, two levels for you to watch out is this area is sa dalawa. So, how does that one goes? You can, aim for a take profit all the way up till there, okay, at 1.2, okay, 1.203. But if I will manage this trade, kumbaga, what I would like to do is, if we're gonna have the bounce in here, this one would be around 0.3 or around 0.5 of the Fibonacci. So for those who knows, my take profit for scalping is always at the 0.3. And funny thing is this, the yellow zone that I just plotted confluences with the 0.3 of the Fibonacci values that I prefer. So let's say that the ape hits the 0.3. What should you do? Secure profits, okay? Do not be greedy, guys. Always secure some profit. Doesn't matter if it's just 25%, but the main thing here is, at the same time you move your stop loss at the entry. Right? Because it can go all the way past this level, if that's the scenario. Let me change this to red. Gawin nating makapal yan. Yan. So it can do something like that, right? And but the main target that we can aim is yung plinat ko na yellow line, which is also confluencing with the golden level of the Fibonacci. So funny, guys, right? Like the levels that I plotted confluences with the Fibonacci sequences. And yan, that's the thing. Sometimes I do not use the Fibonacci na, because I can see it with with bare candles na. Just by bare eyes, by looking at it, I know possible levels. And those levels, guys, are not just like simple levels. They have supply and demand type of zones. That's why even if I plot it right there, it confluences with the Fibonacci levels. So, I have my students asking me, Miss, paano yan? Paano mo nagagawa yan? Like, paano mo, you know, yung mga levels is also confluencing. Guys, practice. That's the thing. Practice. So, for those who does not know, this lesson, yung Fibonacci na yan, I have it in my premium. Okay? So, Joshua, nasa premium ka na ba? Nasa ano ka na? Nasa Fibonacci lesson ka na ba? Yeah? Alright. So, pretty girls, do you have public Discord, madam? Yes, I have a public Discord. So, if you open the description box below of the live right now in YouTube, yeah, there will be a link in there that will direct you to the premium. Okay? We have a public, okay, guys, for those who does not know, it's for free. You will also get access to the charts because I post the charts in my Discord for free yan. So let me try to just like show that with everyone. Okay, sa mga wala pa, Miss, asan yung asan yan? Hindi ko po makita yan. Okay, so alright. So if you see down in here, guys, diba? Mayari, yan. Mayari public channel. Right here, there's a YouTube trade updates. So, lahat ng chart na china-chart natin, okay, sa may YouTube natin, okay, Mayari Capital YouTube, okay, everything is here. Updated lahat yan. So, you can go study, do, what you please with it. Okay? So, All right, so let's hit one other coin. Drin, Shesh, how much for premium? Again, guys, my premium is just $30. That's it. Okay, just $30. So if you wanna get into premium, just message me in my Instagram right here, Mayari Capital. That's it. Okay, Drinshan. And there was another one earlier. I'll see you guys in Instagram. Miss, can you do AVAX then? Sega, let's check AVAX. Pound, pick up, pound, pound, pound. Daily, daily, daily. Okay, so AVAX. Mm-hmm. One, two. How's the daily? 66. 12 hours. Okay. 12 hours. 8 hour section. 4 hour section. Okay, 2, 1, 30. Alright. Interesting. 20. Okay. So AVEX have a massive move. This one. For the past two weeks, almost 2 weeks. But if we gather talaga, yung pinaka-strong or parabolic move niya is for the past 3 days. Okay? So for the past 3 days, it has moved around 20%. So parabolic siya, guys, still. And I do not see any weaknesses yet for AVAX to, so, oh, it's gonna slow down now. Not yet. So for those who are thinking to counter trade it or like short it, uh, I suggest you set aside your capital muna. There will be better play for that because this one is gonna be high risk if you take it as a counter type of trade. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Funny. This is, I feel like this one is gonna be a big wave to the upside. Yeah. This one is just a macro structure to. And then we also have a microstructure, which is not yet complete. This is just 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And I don't think this one is a 3 yet. Why? It looks pretty smaller compared to our first wave. So if you'll see that, it doesn't match. One way also to, okay, where's this one? One way also to, basic to ha. This is what I used to do. Kumusta yung ano? That is not a third wave, guys. So, one thing is this. We are facing a resistance. So, in a resistance, yung 10 na yan, right here, yung yellow zone, yung yellow line of the AVAX, it will have some rejection. Okay, rejection. But it does not mean like a drop. Like that kind of drop. Okay? Like a, wow. Yung mga tinitake natin na trade, di ba? Yung mga scalping na trade na pag nag-move talaga siya, grabe yung baba niya. Not that type of trade yet. Because this one is just the third wave. Okay? I'm assuming this is the third wave pa lang. So, it can go higher from here. With that said, given that I guess this one is around 0.3 type of, yeah, 0.3 correction tayo dito. with the proper structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and C, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That's not even yet done. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, sa mga lower time frame natin dyan ng mga movement, this is what you can possibly, if you want to trade AVAX talaga, go with the trend right now. Because currently, it's pretty strong. So, 1, 2, but we're not gonna enter right here. The best entry for us, guys, wait for this level. Okay, anywhere around 10.43. Okay, again, for those who cannot see the full structure of this one, especially yung mga nasa YouTube, TikTok pala, miss hindi ko po kita yung mga values na nandito. Okay? Guys, just head on. Do not be shy. Stop by in our YouTube, okay? You can see the full screen. So, going back. Entry right around this area, 10.425. It will have a drop. But, that can be the possible entry for us. Because this one is not done. There's gonna be the fourth wave. There's gonna be another fifth wave. So, yeah. A, B, C, or it can be, depends with how we were in here, A, B, and C. So I'm assuming it's gonna be like 5 structures right around this area. So it can be pretty long. So, if you miss this bounce, okay, this bounce to the B, okay, and then you miss the C, 50-50, you'll get a chance at the E. Okay, that's what I'm saying. I'm seeing sa movement natin. But, yes, no weakness to the downside, so we're not gonna take any counter trade right now, but more of a trend type of trading. So, long position right around at the 4 level. So, stop loss natin. Okay, let's define the stop loss because it can go all the way to 0.7 type of correction dito. So, okay, so entry right the fifth 0.3 level. Okay, I'm gonna take the 0.3 level in here, guys. Let me just adjust my plotting. Yeah. So take profit, stop loss 0.3. I'm gonna take the stop loss, guys, below 0.5 tayo based off also sa ano yan, sa what's the word for that? Wave 1 territory. And also, this is the big territory, higher, macro kumbaga. Macro cycle of, of this structure. So, with that said, we're gonna have our stop loss right around here. Parang ganyan. Okay? We're gonna expect a bounce right at the 0.3 structure. So, when that happens, okay, I'm telling you, miss, naka-enter ako. Tapos, nag-bounce. What I can advise you guys, is to take profit right at the B zone. Yes, it's a small structure. It's like a 2:1. But again, guys, I want to remind you, this is a 15-minute structure. 15. So we're gonna be trading like a day trader. So 2.58, 1.22, just pull up your, just your calculator. Anyone who have access on the calculator? Okay? Yan po yung calculator natin, for those who does not know. Hi, March. Thank you for the rose. Thank you so much. Wait. Rachel Ann, Miss, di po kita chart sa YouTube. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Sorry. So I have been like, wait. Wait. For those who aren't buti na lang nabasa ko sa sa comments sa TikTok, no? Hindi nyo guys kita. Sige, don't worry about yung mga pinagsasabi ko kanina. Okay, eto na lang. Ano ko na lang, wait, zoom out muna natin para kita nyo yung pinagsasabi ko dito. Yan. So again, we have a bigger structure of the wave cycle. Yan, yung puti na yan. Okay, that's it. And itong yellow line that you guys can see, ano to? That's the first resistance that we're seeing. And then the second one is the 12. Guys, do not assume yung fifth na nasa 12 dyan fifth is yet to be calculated. Okay? It is yet to be calculated. So just leave it flowing. Kumbaga wala siya dyan. Sige? So what we're gonna be focusing is this area. Yan. Okay? The third wave or the third leg of our structure. So, with that said, I'm gonna zoom in. Now we're gonna zoom in. Ito yung pinagsasabi ko kanina dito, yung sa mga hindi nakakita sa YouTube. Yan po. Yan. So this one is not yet done. Hindi pa po siya tapos. Meaning, this third wave na nakikita natin, okay, this is just the 1, this is the 2. Third is just about to be around here, fifth, fourth, and then fifth. So let me change the color to red. Okay, so something like this. And what is happening yung yellow na yan, yung nakikita nyo na yellow, that is the wave cycle of the third wave of the red cycle. Make sense? Rewatch na lang ulit, guys. Okay? Yung sa doon. Okay? But, yeah. Main focus is here now. So, entry right around that level. Let me see the comments muna ng sa mga YouTube. Lost sila no? So, di kita yung chart. Walang chart. Yes po. Yung mga silent viewers yung mga silent viewers nagsilabas na, nag-chat pinagkaita. Okay. Yeah, I was so concentrated with analysis, diba? With analyzing it. Okay, a replay from the top. Yun na lang, that's the replay that I can do, Carl. Okay, so let's see some comments in TikTok muna. If you have any question aside from hindi kita yung chart. Okay. Ang dami. Ang daming message di kita ng chart sa TikTok. Sige na po. Okay na po. Alright, so, okay. So, no questions so far. Again, guys, thank you for the likes, yung mga nasa TikTok dyan. Okay, thank you so much for the likes. And yung mga nasa YouTube, again, sorry po for that, But don't worry, I'll give you the main content of this analysis is, yeah. So, third wave, ano pa lang po tayo? Almost forming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can form, but yeah, we're not gonna short it. I'm telling everyone, we're not gonna short it. We're gonna ride it. So, we're gonna aim for an entry sa may A na cycle natin. Let me remove ito. And then the stop loss is based off below this demand zone. Okay? That is our demand zone. So, the take profit that I was, saying earlier, miss, can I hold the trade all the way up till there? Because, it's parabolic. That can be. It's up to you how you manage your trade. That is up to you. But this is just, how I would take it. So, I would take profit by the B level now. B level, it's still vague, guys. Hindi pa siya, It's still not clear unless and until we finally have the A leg to the downside. Once the A leg has formed, then I can calculate the B. But for now, since we don't have that data, I'm gonna assume it would be around here. So that is a 2:1 RR. So just pull out your calculator. The calculator is here. Yes. So just type in the data. Okay, how much you are willing to risk, how much you are willing to, lose, kumbaga. So let's say average of you $200. Let's say, miss, I want to risk 2% with this one with a leverage of 5. And then this is a 1. If this trade goes against us, possible loss is 1.12 with a possible win of 2.54. So take profit would be 2.54 and then a 1.12 stop loss right here. So if you guys can see projected loss natin sa account balance na 200 for this trade is around $4 and a possible profit of a $9 for this one. Okay, so yeah, so just manage your trade, guys, how you'd like to, trade with it. But yes, once the B leg, I'm sure, guys, I'm telling you, I can say 80% it will have another leg down. That is why, if I'll approach this, I will take a short take position, take profit right around this area, and then prepare for another position of the C. Ito. So guys, miss, how can I know, one thing also, miss, I would like to know, paano kung malalaman, how can I know that my A leg is done, meaning it's finished. Now I can prepare for a B move to the upside. Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys, so listen up. This demand zone that you're seeing, it's good, yeah, but what is much more better is seeing the cycle itself. So watch out for this cycle. Doesn't matter how it will be, but it will be a fixed 5 movement yan. 5 po yan. So, tignan natin. Let's say yung fifth mo, nag-fifth ka, andyan, let's say, miss, bumababa pa. Because there are trades that, passes the, passes the entry point that I sometimes give. Because of this, because of the cycle, guys. That's why. So, if the cycle is finished, then it's gonna have that reversal. But as long as it is not finished, let's say yung 3 na to hanggang dyan, it can, the fifth leg can be a truncated, can be a double bottom, or sometimes, that the wick. Have you noticed some of our trades, guys? There will be a wick, but after that, it will continue to go up. Have you seen that? That is by the wave cycle. That's why, elite wave for me is really important. Yan. So, wave cycle, remember, 5 cycles tayo, ha? Pababa of the A. Elite wave yan, miss. Yes po, elite wave. Okay, so that's it. But general structure, we can expect the bounce by the demand zone. So when we are by the demand zone, then that's the time, guys, that I can advise you to count your cycles. Okay, kumusta na ba yung cycle ko? Isa, dalawa, o tatlo pa lang? Meaning it's not yet done. It has to have a fourth, then a fifth cycle. Clear? Yeah, so let's see some comments. Sakit na likod ko. The gatekeeping of chart is crazy, jellyfish. Yes, it was crazy. Grabe din po yung comments sa may TikTok. Ang dami. Wala na pong question. Lahat po, hindi po kita yung chart. Sorry na po, okay? But that's it. That's for the AVAX for everyone. Sige? So, atong hilot ng imong likod, ma'am. Marunong ka po ba? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, guys, this can continue all the way up past the 10.8, possibly. But, you know, if for those who are, having question like, Miss, if magko-continue yan pataas, why are not we gonna take a position now? Diba? Anyone who have that question? Simple answer, guys, is that it is not an ideal entry. Meaning, if we enter right there, right now, yung stop loss mo asan? It's either andito, and that's a very high stop loss. Saan yung possible take profit? We can aim by yung resistance natin sa higher time frame, which is the 10. Is this a nice RR? Is this a nice RR? Diba? It's not worth the risk. Diba? This is 0.5 is to 1 RR. So, pag andito naman po yung stop loss, parang ganyan, okay? That's up to you. If you want to scalp that, okay, on the lower time frame. But the thing is this, the probability is at the 50-50 structure. 50-50 yan. Ito. It can go up and it can currently have a leg down. So, for us to be sure, yung sure entry talaga for everyone is by A level, key level. Okay, that's it. So, for those who are in my premium or has been with me sa October 3rd na session natin, remember yung Bitcoin natin, it hit the stop loss by the week. Again, guys, what's that? What was that? The movement was by the week. Throw over, kumbaga we call it throw over, and then a quick push to the upside. Then only it hit our it happened. So, but so far our BNB trade back then is holding up nicely, and stop loss, take profit is still the same, guys. Okay, it does not change. So entry is still around here. We're still floating by that, and yeah. So let's just double check our BNB. Just checking the health of this one. It can be the lowest of the low. Okay. So base off of our is this even BNB has a nasty type of oops, oh my goodness, nag-quit. Wait lang po. To open my wait lang po ha. I'm not gatekeeping the chart po ulit ha. Nag-exit lang po siya. Alright. Just give me a second, everyone. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so going back again, with the BNB, can you see this, guys? That's a perfect throw over. Like, that week, yung tail na yan, guys. Yan po yan. Yung throw over na tinatawag natin. So, that can happen and then continue to move up. But anyway, so with that, I'm just gonna check our position, if there are any danger kumbaga happening. But so far, our stop loss is, and everything is calculated. With that, even if it will do the same thing, the one you use the word shit, but right? If the market will do the same thing again, even if it does a week like that, I don't think it's gonna go by the 50 So, miss, ano yung 50 na yan? Yung 50%. So, 50% looks like this, everyone. It is in the middle or the mid of the 0.786 and then the 1 structure natin. Sana yun? Okay. So, from here, there, maximum yun, guys, it will have that weight by that area. Yung white zone, or yung white line pala. Yeah, you can see. And our stop loss is below that. So, everything is proper. So, if you guys can see, by this area also, yung week na nangyari, it's not gonna go, at least minimum, is the, ano niya, okay, right here. Check natin yung ano yung throwover or the fake out. Can you see? It's not gonna be by the 50% of the 0.786. Can you see, guys? Pag mag-weak yan, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, yung stop loss natin, right here, safe po yan. Pag nag-hit yung stop loss na yan, that's another story na po. It's gonna continue down na po. Okay? Yeah, so far, that's it. Alright, so far, our BNB is, I'm still holding my BNB position. Yeah. Let me take this out. So for those who are wondering about the BNB, miss, I also want to take the trade. Guys, just go over on our Discord. It is there. Okay? Ito po. I posted it. Yan. So, okay, for those who are in TikTok, everyone, it is there. FX Ghost, nice explanation, madam. I love your content talaga. Thank you, FX. Bisaya, di ay ka, ma'am. I'm not a Bisaya, but I cannot even claim that I understand Bisaya. Ano lang, kadyot lang. Kadyot lang po na words. Yun. I learned it from my, classmates na mga Bisaya. Okay, so we have Louis J. Pipito. Madam, I love your content. Thank you. So if you like this contents, guys, just let me know. Just like the live right now. So for those who are new to our, YouTube community, particularly yung 12, can you guys see? We grew around 12 new subscribers this evening. So welcome again. I welcome those people, and if you have any question, okay, regarding to crypto trading, psychology, anything related to trading in crypto, whatever it may be, let me know in the comments. Not be shy, or you guys can message me on my Instagram ko. Okay? So, I guess that's it for this evening, guys. Yeah, that's a good one na. Okay, I hope you guys have a clarity, kumbaga, what to expect with the market. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow, Saturday, right? It's Saturday. Okay. So that's it, everyone. Have a good Friday evening. Enjoy. Yes. Enjoy your weekend also. Bye, everyone. Yeah, ka muna. Yes. Needed po yung back massage. I miss, gusto ko mag-spa. Yeah? Buddy, first time viewer, ma'am, happy to hear from your advanced tutorial. Thanks. You're welcome, buddy. Buddy, by the way, and for those who are new into trading, let me share something with you. Okay, just give me a moment. My channel. Yeah. So regarding on if you want to learn more sa trading, okay, for those who are new in here, for those for those who does not know, I have a free trading lesson in my playlist in my YouTube itself. So, if you are new into trading or you want to review or revise your knowledge, kumbaga, sa basics of trading, candlestick support and resistance, time frame, market structure, lahat yan, I covered it around this playlist. So, feel free to go over there, yeah, in the playlist, and yeah, hopefully more lessons for you guys. Yes. Okay, so that's it for everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.